Yeah, we plan to go to Samoa at the end of this year. But you know,
yeah, we're not sure anymore.
we're not sure anymore because this Whaamai blocked us to go wherever we want to go, you know?
What's up, SP Squad? And welcome back to another video. Today, you're here with your girl Victoria.
Boy Jochi.
And the boy Don now.
This is my nephew, my brother's son, oldest son. And so he wanted to do the mukbang with us, so we thought, why not? So before we get started, Daniel's just going to do a quick prayer for us. Amen. Amen. Thank you, Neil. We're just going to get into it. So we've got lots of food today, as you can see. We've got some lobsters. Lift up a lobster now. We've got a lobster tail. We've got some potatoes. We've got eggs. We got some
Prawns.
Sashimi. Prawns. Corn. King crab legs. Oysters. Crumbed fish. Cheese sauce. Bee love sauce. And noodles. And I think that's it. So we're going to get straight into it. I got noodles just in case, you know, I don't like the seafood. But we woke up early this morning and I went...
Take down this one. Oh, just leave it up. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try to eat this food. Yeah. Ora fa mo kanga rea mo mo nga po ki po pa waru ki po pa rea la mo fai mo ko nga ni Yesu. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, mga ia lalo re vai lava nga ufa nga mai do wa.
Oh my gosh, this sauce is so good.
Yeah, lo wa fai ko nga ni sa. Yeah. Mo ko nga fi mo ka vi di met.
Ooh.
Yeah, mafua mo e or fai mo ka inga re.
How's that now?
No, for the pot more I'm more before more.
Show them. Is it chewy?
Oh,
so is it overcooked or something?
No. Which one?
You see, guys?
Oh, so you're gonna have to dip that in. That sauce is so chilly.
I should go water, right?
Yeah, get water. I can make it myself. I'm getting my own water.
You see it?
Hey, no. You want that one?
I see a bite of each.
Yeah, I'll get some water. Some.
They get the Siaosi in the fridge.
Oh, look, this guys. Look. Very nice.
Get this one?
So we're gonna dip inside the sauce.
You can have that one.
You see it?
Oh, it's so spicy.
Yeah, it is real spicy. Is it nice?
We put way too much chili in there.
I want to taste some crab.
Very nice. Let's go by me.
You need the scissors, Aussie. Because I can't appreciate it. Excuse me.
Where's the seesaw?
Seesaw?
Yeah, where's the scissors? I'm not a fan of that sauce.
Want some noodles?
Cool.
Yeah. You need a fork.
Where's the seesaw?
No idea. You always take it to cut your hair.
No, that's a different one.
Oh my gosh, Daniel.
How is it my fault?
We'll fix it later. It's only a little bit on the ground. Sorry, guys.
So yeah, guys, yeah, look.
Me whakaikai. Me whakaikai there. Yeah, go wash your hands. Just pick those up and we'll wipe it later. This is rigged. This stops. There's no meat here. Okay, let's commence. Ooh.
Yeah, look. It's nice. So we're gonna dip inside the sauce. Just dip it all in.
No.
I don't like that sauce.
Okay, you eat it with the cheese sauce. Use the cheese sauce.
What's better than you? Was it nice?
Yeah.
Ooh, too long much. Ooh. That actually tastes so good with that sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So yummy.
How do you think it, Aussie?
No, just I'll show you.
Mmm.
Oh.
Just pull like this. See it?
Oh, that's so good. That's so good. And I don't even like seafood. That chili sauce is just way too chili. I put cayenne pepper and a whole lot of chilies in there. Can I still eat some of this or what? Is it finished?
Yeah, still eat it.
No, there's nothing in there. Can you eat this meat?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Is that a good one?
Your mouth's gonna burn.
Oh.
Thank you. Where's the cheese sauce?
Here,
Over
use
there.
this sauce. Oh, yeah. You use this one.
You got to get every single bit of meat out of it because, you know, it was expensive.
Yeah.
It's really chilly.
Oh.
Just save that one for mum and dad, eh? For
Yeah.
3. No, you take one.
Oh.
That one's ours, but these ones for mum and dad.
How do you...
Yo, so talk about stuff.
Oh,
yeah.
I don't know what to talk about. I just want to eat. Ooh, look at that. There's just so much food. I don't know what to look at.
So yeah, that's the first time eating the crabs.
Excuse me, it's yours too. What
What do you mean?
Oh.
We're eating some more. What do you
Oi.
mean?
No, it's my first time eating a crab with an actual leg on it.
Yeah, I've had the crab meat.
Yeah. But just know what... Ow!
You alright?
This crab thing is so sharp.
You gotta be careful.
You cut yours?
Bleeding.
Look. There's spikes here.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
Are you actually? This is not safe. We should get scissors, not a knife. Give it to me.
There's no scissors though.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, guys, it's so nice. So
Aussie, you should open this for us. Yeah, I don't want.
you alright now?
Yeah, how is this? Watch, there's a prick there. No, you can eat this too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I always see when people like eat this online.
This is so sharp.
This.
Yeah, that's why we need scissors. We don't have scissors in this house.
Oh, we did. We kind of lost it.
They're gone. We were meant to go to Samoa the end of the year.
Oh, cancelled.
Yeah, because of everything that's going on.
It's so nice, guys. You know.
Oh, the egg was nice with the sauce. Aussie, try an oyster.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, have
it.
I'm gonna try the oyster.
Yeah.
That was the first thing I tried.
Was it actually?
Mm-hmm.
Was it actually nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, see you guys. There's an oyster here.
This is aqua.
Yeah, this is alcohol. So put some lemon in,
Alright.
and then use the spoon. You see it? Scoop. Mmm.
No, mate.
Is it actually nice?
Yeah.
It's so nice.
So we're gonna give some to my parents after.
Yeah.
We just have it here for, you know, show.
So I'm gonna try the fish. Yeah, the fry it. I from come pork. You can mang here, đúng Phải mẹ.
Mum provide. Well, fair thing is Siaosi. Probably went
So yeah. This is our for night today. No. This is nice and spicy sauce.
It's really chilly. It gets to the back of your throat and like,
Coffee meal.
oh my god. I need a sorrel. Put that paper towel, see. I'm the princess. I just get to sit here.
Yeah, phải mà anh màu capsicum nghe bao.
It's pretty chilly.
What is?
The capsicum.
Pass me a knife, actually.
Hả?
Pass me a knife. Trying to get this made out.
Yeah.
Taste the sashimi, Aussie.
So, Mama taste me, taste the sashimi with the chili sauce. You see it? Yeah. Maki polo.
No, I tasted that. It's not really that nice.
What?
The sashimi.
Does he done
When
it?
are you tasting all of this?
Let's start.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I maki polo in ba. You see it? Yeah. Alright. See you guys.
Got it.
Perfect.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very nice. Cậu phải đậu vodka đúng không? Phải sashimi mai à?
Yeah. I've never tasted an oyster before. Ever. Ever. Actually, oh no, it was a mussel.
Wow, mà ngay gì vậy?
I
I
tasted
tasted
these.
it. What does it taste like?
It's butter. It tastes like because Lossie put 3 butter things on it.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Yeah, but what does this thing taste like?
Tastes
Oh,
nice.
I don't.
Taste it.
So yummy.
That's very yum.
What does it taste like?
Butter.
Just eat it. She never eat seafood.
It just looks gross. It just flaps everywhere.
You know, guys, I look forward to this seafood mukbang. That's why I want to do it today. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Are you ready?
Yeah. What will the prawns no taste? So yummy, guys, you know. So yummy. Ngalawa kamari ako nga yasa uma, nga seafood ah. You see it? The tip back on so see that? Wow.
Put this up.
This is so nice.
Oh yeah. Dad's gonna love that sauce.
So yummy.
My corn's just spraying everywhere.
Crab is nice, eh?
The lobster or the crab? No, there's meat in here.
Where?
So you can get it out.
It's like a crab from here, broke it from here, look. Come all the way up.
Oh!
What?
Look.
That's yours.
Ah! I feel like I'm on like, you know,
You
those
like seafood?
mukbangs, those mukbangs.
Yeah, it's not good.
How they're like, ooh!
It's so yummy.
It's so good. Especially with the sauce.
It's so spicy, yeah.
I love crab now.
Yeah, oyster, mà lấy dầu ra oyster. Sắp gì mà mày đúng không?
I like it. It's just the aftertaste of the oyster.
So when I'm in Sabo, you can
You have that one. I'm gonna
you
have the
can
last
eat like
one.
this.
So these 3 are for my parents, and I'm just gonna have this one.
Do you know why they're spiky? Because
Ow!
that's how they protect themselves.
Yeah, I know. Tell them all why they're spicy now, because maybe they didn't hear you.
Spicy.
Spiky.
Spiky. Oh,
It's to protect themselves.
protect.
That's what I said.
No,
So-
you said protect.
Whatever.
It's protect.
Protect. Yeah, same thing.
You see, guys? So yummy. Yummy for my tummy.
Ow.
Go inside my mouth.
Oh, so you have this one. Do I know you want this one?
Là cái đêm này hay vào qua đây mà cái cái đấy là đi. Là phải seafood mukbang mà qua ayaos.
I don't know how to open this.
I don't want to spank myself on
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, what's in there?
Oh, Daniel's limbos. Look at it. We're just having a jolly good time, yo. Should have asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted us to talk about.
Oh well.
Yeah.
But for now, we'll just talk about how good this food is.
Just put it in front of people.
Yeah.
They can see it. Rồi, yeah, mình phải kết cà rồi lôi con mi. Anh. Oh.
So good. This is coming from someone who hates seafood. Like, if I'm saying it's good, it's good.
Because she never eat seafood. Now, first time eating seafood.
This crab is so good.
You see my plate? Mà trong mua mà kinh bạc. Mà kinh oyster.
Now, did you break open that one?
No, I'm not happy.
This one, I want some.
Just have a taste of this. It's nice, right?
That's my chili.
Dip it in your cheese sauce. I don't know what's going on with the crabs, eh? Their guts are like smaller than their bone, than the bone shells. You like open it up, it's like the tiniest bit of meat.
Yeah, we plan to go to Samoa.
When?
We plan to go to Samoa the end of this year. But you know,
Yeah, we're not sure anymore.
we're not sure anymore because this spot might block us to go wherever we want to go, you know? So,
Also, you get this meat out. You can have this.
I haven't been to Samoa since I was like 3, or like 5. Ages ago.
Yeah, you were at 4.
That's
Or
the last
3,
time I've been to
yeah.
Samoa.
But you went to Samoa like 3 times.
I remember me and you going together.
And then we came back together.
okay.
And then I dropped you off in Gold Coast.
Oh, really?
Oh, isn't that when you come to my school?
Yeah, but we're not sure with the restrictions and stuff.
Yeah.
We're still hoping that we can go.
Yep.
Otherwise, we'll be going like beginning of Jan.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully I can come.
Because that'll be like our
That's like our tradition. We go every year. Yeah.
that'll be our 5-year anniversary or so.
Yeah.
In January. We would have been married for 5 years.
You got married 2014, eh?
No,
15.
16. Quick maths, bro. I'm eating all the corn.
First one.
And I'm kind of full now. This took like how many hours? It took us like 2 or 3 hours to cook all of this. But then you get full, you get full so quickly. You only spend like a minute or 2 eating, but you spend like how many hours cooking it?
But I'm go hard, guys, you know, because I like it. I go hard.
Aussie's been wanting to do a seafood. Well, we both have been wanting to do a seafood mukbang for so long. They should came here. My parents should have come here.
You haven't done the mukbang with us?
No, they wouldn't want to. But my parents are just so... They don't want to do any sit-down videos with me. I mean, if I'm vlogging, that's alright. But they don't want to be, you know, in the spotlight.
Mà ai ở đây sashimi. Nice at feel. Taste one.
No, thank you.
How's work, guys?
I might as well. We're doing a seafood mukbang, so I'll just take the tiniest bit.
No, I don't like it. I'm not gonna try it.
You don't like this?
No.
Why don't we just halve it? Do we dip it in? Do we dip it in?
Yeah, dip it in.
I'll dip it into mine.
I'm all for it because this is just a seafood mukbang, so
Yeah.
Gotta try it all.
Try everything.
chew it. Is it nice?
Don't like it.
I'm not trying to be mean to the culture, but
It doesn't taste like anything. Your sauce is too strong, Aussie.
Yeah, it's nice. Make it strong.
yeah.
And thanks for coming.
Here, Aussie.
No, come on, bruh.
I want you to try the lobster tail.
No, come on.
I already tried.
When?
So hey, look, just one more left.
How many did you have?
2, 1. And now 1.
Well, I'll have a bite, but I only want a bite though.
Yeah, just bite. Oh. Wow, man, cái gì đó sao được mẹ ấy.
No, do you like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll have a bite and you have the rest.
No, I'm good.
Why?
For worse. Oh yeah.
I like the crab better.
That's nice.
It's nice.
It's nice, but yeah.
Eat it. Phil, you got it.
You spent $39 on that.
Don't really know.
That bite was $10. Okay? Okay.
It's been a while. Nó bắt quay phây đó gì.
Mukbang.
Yes, mukbang.
Well, on this channel, because I have my own.
Yeah.
But we don't really have anything to talk about. We just want to eat. Can you give me
Yeah.
this corn, please?
Oh, I didn't have
We just
breakfast.
We just wanna enjoy the seafood mukbang. That's why.
What
You
is
know.
this?
Oh, I've never tried that. What is it?
Fish.
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 Nice. Dip it in cheese sauce.
It's so full. It's nice, but not fitting in.
So one of the things that we've been doing on the weekends is going for
Drive.
going for a drive kick here.
Every
road trip?
country. Yeah, country.
Town.
Town, yeah.
Yeah, so we've just been going to different country towns around. So we'll be going to Griffith next weekend.
Yeah. Maybe after next weekend we're going to Waka Waka or whatever. And maybe Melbourne again. You see it?
Yeah, we're
If the borders are open.
planning to come to Melbourne
October.
October for my dad's birthday. All of my siblings are going. I don't know if my brother's going.
Mum will definitely let me come.
Oh yeah. But the sisters and their families, their kids, we're all planning to just drive down as one,
Yeah.
like different cars, and then just stay in Melbourne for a couple of days for my dad's 62nd birthday.
So yeah.
So that's the plans this October. But wow, that went so quick.
Yeah.
And we didn't even have anything to talk about really, but yeah, it's a bit pricey, the crab legs, but yeah, it was worth it. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Like, I don't even like seafood, but I love the crab meat.
Me too. I
It's
like.
so good. Like,
Yeah, even the sauce, the chili one, oh, amazing.
The oysters, I never used to like oysters, but now if you put butter in it.
Yeah, nice. Eh?
yeah. So the noodles was just like a backup thing in case like
Yeah.
I didn't like them or Nell didn't like it.
Yeah,
But we have so much food.
We're gonna give away to charity. I'm joking.
Mummy Dad's not charity. We're gonna go and wrap this all up and then take it over to my parents and let them have a try.
Shit.
Yeah. Darnell, you're wasting. Look at this guy.
Just put it in there.
I tried to open it. I asked you to open it. You said
Mal, look at this guy.
no. I was
This
gonna.
balang child.
I was gonna save it. I was just full.
What did I say?
Mine doesn't grow on trees.
How did you know that?
Lucky guess.
So yeah, thanks for watching our seafood mukbang. Hope you guys enjoy it. You see it, so much fun, and we're full.
I think it's going to be a
so
long
full.
time before I decide to do another one of these because that was a lot of work.
A lot of money.
You know, guys, a lot of work, a lot of money. You know,
A lot of splits the bum.
a lot of sweat the bum, sweat the feet.
Next time we do a mukbang, don't worry, we'll have topics for ya.
Yeah.
And you guys can send through your requests and let us know what y'all want us to talk about.
Yeah.
Oh, lift up your plate and see who ate the most. These were all not mine, by the way.
Aussie did.
I did not eat all of these crab legs.
Oh! I eat the oyster too. And I eat the sauce too.
And I ate most of the corn. Oh, I ate 4 corns.
And you eat the paper too.
And thank you to our lovely guest, my nephew, Dino.
Now.
No, that's racist.
Aussie, seriously. Who made the biggest mess? Was it Darnell?
Yeah, because you spilled my noodles.
No, but you wiped that up.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Oh,
Was it Aussie?
I eat like a big boy, you know? No, nothing to drop it down. You
Nothing
know?
to drop it down, okay. Or was it me? Nothing at all. Yeah, and we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment on our video. And SB Squad!